Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. I'm showing you how to draw a cartoon pig using just one circle. So get yourself something round to draw around. I'm using this glass and a black pen. So start off by putting your round object in the middle and we're just going to draw around it, nice and simple. Remember, you can start off in pencil, you don't have to start off in pen. Go back over it in pen afterwards if you like. So there's our circle. Next we're going to draw the nose, or the snout I should say. So here's the snout. We're going to draw a nice big oval shape. After that, two little circles for the nostrils. One there. And then one circle on this side. And then we're going to draw another circle on this side. Try and make them the same kind of shape and size. Okay, so one large oval, one little circle. Same on the other side. One large oval, one little circle. And if I'm going too fast, please feel free to pause the video at any moment and rewind. There we go. Now all that's left to do are the ears. So I'm going to start on this side actually. Draw one ear like that. And the same on the other side. One ear like that. There you go. So that's your finished pig. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, there's a series of other cartoon animals that I'm drawing. So just follow the link at the end. See you soon. Bye bye.